बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में मैं वो वाली जॉब्स शेयर कर रही हूँ जो कि आई थी डॉन, संडे एंड जंग 9 फरवरी 2025 के अखबार में। पहली जॉब है पाकिस्तान मैरीटाइम म्यूज़ियम पोजीशंस वैकेंट। PMM is looking for suitable candidates for appointment against the following positions on contract/temporary basis. Appointment: Information Technology Technician male/female post 1. Qualification/experience: Diploma from reputed institution in information technology with 2 to 3 years of experience in computer hardware operating, system networking and software troubleshooting. Age less than 30 years. Guide male/female post है 2. मास्टर्स और बैचलर्स डिग्री इन सोशल साइंसेस, जनरल हिस्ट्री, एंथ्रोपोलॉजी, आर्कियोलॉजी, मरीन साइंसेस और रिलेटेड डिसिप्लिन फ्रॉम HEC recognized university. Candidate having good communication skills and fluency in English language will be preferred. Age less than 30 years. Interested candidates send their CVs, applications at managerhrpmm@gmail.com within 14 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for test/interview. No TADA shall be admissible for appearing in test/interview. Pakistan Maritime Museum. Contact number 021485030063. 021485030063. हबीब इब्राहिम रहमतुल्लाह रोड, कारसाज, कराची, पाकिस्तान। अच्छा जी, एक और जॉब है ये कंसल्टेंट फंड रेजिंग एंड पार्टनरशिप्स। इफ़ यू आर एक्सपीरियंस्ड, ये भी डॉन की जॉब है, डॉन संडे फरवरी 9 की। इफ़ यू आर एन एक्सपीरियंस्ड प्रोफेशनल/ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विद अ स्ट्रॉन्ग ट्रैक record in fundraising and partnership development, the National Academy of Performing Arts, NAPA, Pakistan's premiers. Key responsibilities: develop and executing fundraising strategies to secure national and international grants. Build and strengthen long-term corporate partnerships to ensure financial sustainability. Craft and deliver impactful presentations and communications for potential sponsors. Provide marketing and program support to management. What we offer: attractive compensation variable based on volume of funds raised. Flexible working structure requiring only one weekly meeting with the chairman/CEO/COO. An opportunity to make a lasting impact on Pakistan's cultural and performing arts landscape. Who we are looking for: a passionate individual/organization with a minimum of 5 years of direct experience in fundraising, partnerships or a similar capacity with proven results. Exceptional communication and presentation skills with the ability to engage high-level stakeholders. A results-driven mindset and a strong understanding of corporate sponsorships and grant acquisition apply now. If you meet the above criteria and are ready to take on this exciting challenge, send your resume/company profile to hr@napa.org.pk with the subject line consultant fundraising and partnerships by 20th February 2025. Join us in shaping the future of performing arts in Pakistan. National Academy of Performing Arts, AMR Kiani Road, Civil Lines, Karachi. Telephone number 02135693701240, 02135693701240. Email hr@napa.org.pk. A company set up in 2004 under Section 42 of the Companies Ordinance 1984. अच्छा, ये BME की जॉब है, बोलान माइनिंग एंटरप्राइजेस करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़. BME seeks to invite applications from high caliber professionals qualified from reputable local or foreign institutions/universities recognized by the Higher Education Commission of Pakistan. Application submission deadline February 23rd, 2025. Positions details are available at https://www.bme.com.pk/career/jobs. Contractual positions: number 1 senior procurement officer, number 2 assistant procurement officer, number 3 senior accounts officer, number 4 HR officer, number 5 manager/head of operations Khustar, 6 assistant manager maintenance MEC, number 7 senior plant engineer, mining engineer, assistant engineer plant electrical store officer, mining engineer, geologist, admin/accountant, assistant electrical engineer. Applications must be submitted at recruitment@bme.com.pk. Hiring virtual monitoring staff, looking for dedicated and detail-oriented virtual monitoring staff to join our growing team. Requirements: minimum qualification graduate, experience at least 1 year, preferably in the US market. Age limit 20 to 35 years. Strong observation and communication skills. Ability to work remotely with discipline. Why join us? Competitive salary. Career growth opportunities. Apply now. Contact 0332204947 0332204947 and 0310239847 0310239847. Email umarulislam90@gmail.com. Be a part of a growing company. उमैरुल इस्लाम UMAIR. ओके, SIUT की जॉब्स हैं. अच्छा, मैंने पीपल्स स्टील मिल्स लिमिटेड की जॉब बता देती हूँ. PA to डायरेक्टर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. PA to डायरेक्टर पीपल्स स्टील मिल्स लिमिटेड. ये मैं यहाँ से बता देती हूँ. जॉब रिक्वायरमेंट्स: बैचलर्स डिग्री इन बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन मैनेजमेंट और रिलेटेड फील्ड, मास्टर्स प्रेफर, डिप्लोमा/सर्टिफिकेशन इन द सेक्रेटेरियल प्रैक्टिसेस is highly desirable. At least 5 years of personal assistant/executive assistant or a similar role experience with the senior management in the reputable organization. Proficient in MS Office, Suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint and Outlook. Be able to draft all types of letters, memos/office orders and reports. Be able to manage appointments, meetings, emails, phone call on behalf of the executive. Strong organizational and time management skills. Strong communication and presentation skills. Strong attention to detail and problem solving skills. Be able to maintain confidentiality and exercise sound judgment. Professional demeanor and a positive attitude. Age limit 35 years. Interested candidates meeting the above criteria are encouraged to apply with full confidence to hr@psmltd.com. latest by Feb 22, 2025. आप SIUT की जॉब बता देती हूँ. सीनियर लेक्चरर एनेस्थीसिया, यूरोलॉजी, रेडियोलॉजी, क्रिटिकल केयर medicine, infectious diseases, FCPS or equivalent qualification in respective discipline. Consultant anesthesia, FCPS/MCPS in anesthesiology with 5 years experience. Specialist anesthesia, MCPS/DA in anesthesiology. Senior RMO, anesthesia, urology, MBBS, FCPS training completed in respective discipline. Registrar adult cardiothoracic surgery, FCPS training completed in adult cardiothoracic surgery from an accredited program. Eligible for FCPS cardiac surgery exam, audio/visual technician, minimum diploma or equivalent with 2 to 3 years experience in audio visual in reputed organization. SIUT offers a market competitive salary, perks and a growth oriented work environment. How to apply? If you are interested in joining our dynamic team, please send your updated resume to the Human Resource Department, Sindh Institute of Urology and Transplantation, Civil Hospital, Karachi, 74200, or email at hrd@siut.org, hrd.siut@gmail.com, latest by February 19, 2025 only. Shortlisted candidates will be contacted. अच्छा जी, ये पावर प्लानिंग एंड मॉनिटरिंग कंपनी PPMC की जॉब से करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, रोज़नामा जंग, कराची, इतवार 9 फरवरी 2025 के अखबार की। तो ये मैं बता देती हूँ आप लोगों को। पहली पोजीशन है मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनी ऑफिसर MTO टेक्निकल, 3 पोजीशंस, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ आप लोग देख लें, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा। क्वालिफिकेशन बैचलर 4 years मास्टर डिग्री इन इलेक्ट्रिकल/इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स/मैकेनिकल/मेकाट्रॉनिक्स/एनर्जी सिस्टम्स engineering/engineering sciences from HSC recognized/affiliated institute/university. Number 2, management trainee officer MTO information technology, 2 positions. Responsibilities: provide support in various IT functions including software applications development. ये आप लोग इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा। क्वालिफिकेशन बैचलर 4 years/मास्टर डिग्री इन कंप्यूटर साइंसेस/सॉफ्टवेयर/कंप्यूटर engineering/machine learning/AI or related fields with relevant specializations from HSC recognized/affiliated institute/university. तीसरी पोजीशन है मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनी ऑफिसर MTO फाइनेंस, 3 पोजीशंस। रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ का आप लोग स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा। और क्वालिफिकेशन चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट/कॉस्ट एंड मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटेंट और CA इंटर/ICMA इंटर/ACCA/CFA और मेंबर ऑफ प्रोफेशनल बॉडी ऑफ अकाउंटेंट्स और 4 years बैचलर्स और मास्टर्स डिग्री इन फाइनेंस, बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, कॉमर्स और रिलेटेड फील्ड्स, एट लीस्ट 16 years विद रेलेवेंट specialization from HSC recognized/affiliated institute/university. Candidates with relevant certifications are encouraged to apply. चौथी पोजीशन है मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनी ऑफिसर MTO ह्यूमन रिसोर्स, 1 पोजीशन। क्वालिफिकेशन बैचलर 4 years/मास्टर डिग्री इन ह्यूमन रिसोर्स, बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन और रिलेटेड fields with relevant specialization from HSC recognized/affiliated institute/university. General conditions: 1, a minimum CGPA of 3 out of 4 or 4 out of 5 or 80% marks for local graduates and 65% marks for foreign graduates is a requisite for the degree on which the candidate may apply, and such degree shall not be issued later than 3 years from the date of advertisement. 9 फरवरी जंग अखबार। Fresh graduates from reputable universities are encouraged to apply. Any candidate possessing foreign degree has to produce equivalency from HSC/PEC. The maximum age limit is 30 years as of the closing date of the advertisement. No age relaxation will be permitted. The selected candidate will be offered a remuneration package of rupees 1 lakh per month on a lump sum basis. The candidate will be engaged for a period of 1 year, thereafter evaluated through a comprehensive process for selection as assistant specialist/assistant manager in the relevant field, subject to availability of the post in the company. Otherwise the contract will automatically stand terminated. Instructions: 1, candidates are required to apply online only on website pitc.com.pk on the prescribed format along with detailed CV. The last date to apply is 25/2/2025. Number 2, uploading and experience certificates. Number 3, copies of duly tested degree slash certificates, recent passport size photograph, experience certificates optional, and copy of CNIC/passport must be uploaded on the space provided in application format. Only shortlisted candidates will be invited for written test/interview/selection process. General Manager HR, Office number 112, Avacue Trust Complex, Saga Khan Road, Islamabad. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।